What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are doing amazing and happy Monday to each and every one of you. Don't forget to follow, like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Now, if you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe right now, okay? And also click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys going to be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. So today's video, we did amazing today in the real estate market, guys, which is awesome. And I'm just forever grateful that I'm very blessed and humbled to be a part of this amazing opportunity that is changing lives on a worldwide scale. Changing lives, right? Which I truly love. So in today's I'm gonna give you the yields that is earned on throughout all the properties on this amazing opportunity, guys. Now, if you guys want to learn more on how you can start making passive income in real estate without being a landlord, no perfect credit score, no cleaning toilets, no managing properties, 100% fully automated, hands-free, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video and watch the free information. Now, once you click on that link, guys, you're going to put in your full name and email. Make sure you verify your email. If you do not verify your email, you're not going to be brought to the next page, okay? So it's very important that you verify your email. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the secondary page. Now, that secondary page is going to bring you to an overview video. Watch the first overview video. Watch it at least 2 times, okay, guys, so it can resonate, so you can get a full understanding on how it works and how you can start making passive income. And there is an opportunity where you can share this opportunity and make additional income, okay? But keep in mind that you do not need to share this with no one, all right, just to make money, all right? Keep that in mind, all right, guys? So that's the beautiful part about this amazing opportunity. You do not need to share this with a single soul, and you can start having money working for you instead of your money being in the banking system that is collecting dust, that is depreciating every single day, and you're losing your buying power, all right? And it's just collecting dust. You could put it over here and you can have money working for you, okay? Now, Apartments Miami did 0.33% yield, which is amazing. Apartments, which is officially sold out, that's a Seattle downtown property. It did 0.46%, which is awesome. All right. The Lake House property did 0.39%. House did 0.46%. Villa that I own did 0.52%. The tourism property did 0.56. The commercial property did 0.65%. Business did 0.70%. Land plots did 0.76%. Development did 0.89%. And business development did 0.99%. All right, which is awesome. Now, it made me today $19.88, which is amazing. My money is working for me constantly while I'm sleeping, okay? Which is awesome. So now let me show you guys on the real estate. You can get started for as low as $10, guys. But keep in mind, don't just treat this as a $10 opportunity, okay? All right, so there is more lucrative ways you can earn, right? The more money you invest, the more money you're gonna make. As you can see on the calculator, $10 investment, which is the minimum on the Miami property, guys. So the average, projection is around 0.32 to 0.52%. Projection on this per day, $10 investment gives you 4 cents, gives you 84 cents, less than $1 a month. You put that same $10 in the banking system, you get 0.1. Okay, you're barely getting you get a, if you're lucky, you get 2 cents a year on a $10, and you're keeping your money in the bank. Okay, but over here in estate, you making 84 cents a day. Now let's raise it a notch a bit. Let's add another zero. Now if you add $100, you're making 42 cents a day, $8.82 a month. Your break even point is 10 months, right? $158.76 total profit, which is awesome. All right. Now, if you add $1,000 in here, that's $4.20 per day. Now we're cooking, right? And we're earning $88.20 a month. All right, passive income, guys. All right, and then you're earning a total profit of $1,587.60. All right, there's already 31,365 people has bought into the Miami property out of the 107,000 people. Now, I like to always be transparent, so it's not just you can make money here, but I'm just transparent. I want to show you how much I've generated with this amazing opportunity. Okay, so guys, I'm coming close to almost $900 in real estate income, which is amazing since I've been a part of it. As you can see, I have $202.48 in my account, right? So these are the investments that I have, that are properties that I've invested in. Okay, so I'm averaging around $20 a day. All right, today was 1988, which is still awesome, which I love, right? And these are my previous weeks, right? So could you imagine you're making $20 a day, guys, on autopilot without the need to share this to a single soul, right? Which is awesome. Now the villa property, guys, the minimum villa, as you can see, that I've made $646.72. The house property, I made $172. The apartments, which is officially sold out, guys. And then the apartment Miami, I made $20 so far, which is awesome. Okay, so let me show you guys the other properties. All right, so you guys see it, right? And then look, guys, I'm invested $3,915.66, and I'm coming close to $900, guys. Almost $900, and then soon to $1,000, right? Which is awesome. And that my $3,915 is making me close to $20 every single day. Sometimes it's 19, sometimes it's 21, 22, but I'm loving it. It's earning consistent income for me every single day. 24 hours, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Doesn't no Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, let me show you the other properties, guys, so you guys can see. I do have the house property and the villa. Okay, and these villa properties, keep in mind, the villa property, the minimum investment on the villa property, all right, it is, let me show you the house. The house property is $480. I do have the house. And then also the apartments are sold out. The apartments are sold out, guys. I'm so grateful that I got a share of this property. The minimum investment on this property is $117. Okay, that's officially sold out. This sold out. This is a second what is it, property that has been sold out on this platform. And then you have another property. It's called Tourism. That is sold out. So people are taking action, guys. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Very real licensed opportunity, and it's connected with a 50 years experience real estate. Okay, which is amazing. Real estate company, 50 years of experience is combining with e-estate, right? And then e-estate is changing lives on a global scale, guys. This is not just only in the United States. This is globally. So wherever you are in the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi with an internet connection, you can make money. Okay, so let me show you guys the villa. This is my favorite property, the villa that is making me amazing income. Okay, so I have invested $3,200 in this property. The minimum investment is $3,120. Your average projection, guys. All right, this is no guarantees here. These are projections because it does fluctuate, right? Between 0.51 to 0.71% per day. Okay, so on a $3,200 investment, all right, is projection is $19.52. Like today did amazing. I did $19.88. So this is projection. So the total profit is $7,378.56. Okay, which is awesome. I love it, right? And it's earning me a consistent passive income of over $400+ every single month on autopilot, guys, right? Over a 500,000 people has bought into this property, guys. Once this number reaches around 864,000, 865,000, this is going to be sold out. So it's coming close there, guys. So position yourself. Don't get left behind because wealth transformation is happening right now. Things is being tokenized on the blockchain, guys. Real estate is on a whole nother level, guys, right? Instead of the old school traditional way of selling properties, you have to wait till you go and profit. You have to put tenants. There's a lot of madness behind the old school. I'm not knocking down the old traditional way, but it's a lot of work and you have to have a lot of money and capital. Now over here in estate, your break-even point is 7 months. On a traditional property, that would take a couple of years, okay? Because you have to create cash flow, right? And you have to also factor maintaining the property, fixing property, dealing with property taxes, all sorts of things on the traditional side. Now, over here in the tokenized side, you don't have to worry about those things. You don't have to worry about paying property taxes. You don't have to worry about being a landlord, cleaning toilets, maintaining a property. All of that is being handled behind the scenes with e-estate. Now, with e-estate is giving you, and we have two phase models of the income. All right, we have the 18 months phase. That's the aggressive phase, right? You're earning passive income every single month for the next 18 months. Now, on a 19 month and so forth, you're making a 10% annual yield on your investment. And now you probably be thinking, what happens if the properties get sold out, right? What happens to my investment? That's a very good question. Now, what happens is when, say for instance, if estate decides to say, all right, this property is not profitable, maybe in another year, 2 or 3 years, who knows? We never know, right? Hey, they're going on to buying another property. They sell this property, buy back your tokens, and the whatever you put in, right, your initial investment of $3,120, you get that handed back to you. They'll distribute that investment right back to you. That is amazing in itself. So whatever you profits you generated throughout that duration of that 18 months and at the 10% you're making as well, you keep all of that. And plus you get your money back if estate decides to sell the property, right? And you get your initial capital back, which is awesome, right? So take action, guys. Don't get left behind of this amazing opportunity. This opportunity is changing lives. You must be 18 years of age to participate. You can't, because there is a strict KYC. So there's no, you just signing up and that's it. You have to go through a strenuous process, KYC, uploading your ID and everything, because they have to know who is who on this opportunity as well when you're signing up, which I find that is amazing, right? And then also too, when you guys signing up, make sure you set up your 2FA. That is very important. All right. So, which I love that layer of security, which is mind blowing. Withdrawals are um, high speed withdrawals, guys. Withdrawals usually takes around 5 minutes, which is awesome, which I love. Right? There's no waiting 24 hours, 15 hours, 2 days, 3 days. The withdrawals is within a couple of minutes. Is right. Is automated, right, and hits your wallet as well. Okay, so guys, take action on the link right below this video. Get started, get signed up, watch the full video so you guys can be educated on how everything works with estate. One of our amazing top leaders as well, he's going to break everything down to you on how the opportunity works and how this could be beneficial financially. Okay, position yourself now. Don't wait until the opportunity close the doors on you. Okay, opportunities like this comes every 5 to 10 years, guys. Position yourself. Don't get left behind, guys. Don't be poor. Poor means just not just only not having money, but passing over opportunities repeatedly. Don't let that be you. All right, see you guys on the top, because the bottom will be very crowded. Don't forget to follow, like, share this video. All right, and also subscribe to this channel and take action in the link below, right below this video. Put in your name and email, verify your email, and that's going to bring you to the second page of watching the overview video. The first overview video, highly recommend watching it 2 times, and all the videos right below the overview video. Watch all the videos. It's going to guide you through the process on the starting, how to get started, how to fund your account, and everything as well. Okay, if you have any questions, all right, reach out to me in email, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.